Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Meet the Stanley SM1800-QS Mitre saw, your ultimate cutting companion. With a powerful 1800-watt motor, this tool delivers unmatched torque for all your projects. The horizontal handle and lock-off trigger switch make it easy to use, ensuring safety and comfort. Need precision? The cutting line with LED lampshade guarantees 100% accuracy and excellent visibility. With 9 miter stops and a cutting range from left 47 degrees to right 52 degrees, versatility is at your fingertips. The anti-rust-coated sliding rod ensures durability, while the double-tilt head adds even more cutting options. Plus, the sturdy base and fence provide stable, long-lasting accuracy. And don't forget the repeat cutting function, perfect for consistent lengths every time. Get the Stanley SM1800-QS Mitre saw today and elevate your craftsmanship.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.